Welcome back for yet another exciting C# YouTube tutorial. This is one of many we'll be doing this week. Do you remember this code? This is the simple calculator that you did earlier in the semester. And let's take a look. Let's go look at the plus button. And you can see the code is right here. So think of this code as like your bedroom in your house. No one can see what's going on in there except for you when you're in it. And here is another piece of code, which is the button exit click. And no one can see what's going on inside this code from this room. And here's the button sub click. No one can see here what's going on in here or here. That's called isolation, or what we call in computer terms encapsulation, where we separate things. Now let's take a look at the code. I'm going to make the code window a little bigger so we can see. And let's compare this. We declare our variables, we convert, we add, and we output. And in the sub, we declare our variables, convert, but we don't add, we sub, and we output. Pretty much as everything's the same. And take a look here. We have button multiply click, declare, convert, multiply, output. I sound like a broken record, but you can see in each of these click events, the button, the sub, and the add, we do the same steps. The only variation is right here. So that means I declare 3 variables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So my code right now has 15 variables. It has this variable with the names here, which are isolated or encapsulated from the ones down here. So when this program runs, all 15 variables are loaded into memory, but only the button sub can play with its variables, and the button add can only modify these variables even though they're the same name. We're going to try something different. We are going to move these variables out of each individual click event, such as a bedroom, and move them out into the public areas of the code. So notice what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take those away. And you should see these go all crazy. Now notice I'm leaving the button add click, and up here you can see the namespace, O3 calculator. You can see public partial class form calculator. And you can see this code right here. I'm going to put them right up here. They're not declared in any click event. They are declared outside of any code, so that means anywhere in the project can use them. So I'm going to declare 3 variables, and look, the red squiggles go away. And I'm going to get rid of these. And the reason this code works, so I went from 15 variables down to 3. Isn't that exciting? And how it works, this is called class level or module variables, also known as global. The whole entire project. See, it's part of this and part of this, but they're not inside any curly braces. So any code below here can use it. So of course I have to have my step 1 that I've been teaching you all semester. And let's see if it works. It most certainly does, and I'm much more efficient now than I was before. So declare them at the top, and you can use them in any of the code below. You got to be careful with these because code can change it. All the code can change it. These aren't the best way of doing it, but this will help get us ready for this kind of like the foundation till we get into something even better.